I may never cook nachos the same way again. Good morning. I think we're gonna vlog today. We're gonna vlog. I guess I'll show you what I eat in a day. And then, you know, all the other stuff too, because that's just how I do things. If I sound super congested, that's because I am. Welcome to spring. I have allergies apparently, so that's fun. But it's all good. Raggy is barking at, I guess, my Jeep. I'm headed to my favorite place in the world, Walmart. It's raining. Why is it always raining when I'm going to Walmart? I don't know, but maybe that's gonna work out. Maybe there won't be too many people there. It's like 9 something, 9:20, so a little early, as early as I'd like to be, but you know, here we go. So far I have had coffee, just an espresso pod, I can't remember which one, and heavy cream, and that's it. But in general, you know, I don't eat till much later than 9:20, so that's what I've had to get you up to speed. Not much. I'm here. 10 out of 10, someone's going to judge me for vlogging in the car. I don't care. This person next to me probably. Why am I at Walmart today? What am I here for? So, Cinco de Mayo. Cinco de Mayo is coming. Am I Mexican? No. Actually, I'm half Puerto Rican. Most of you know that. But, you know, any excuse to drink margaritas and eat chips and salsa, I'm here for it. And you're going to say, chips and salsa and margaritas. Neisha, aren't you Ketovore? Yes, yes, I am. Does that mean I cannot participate in the finer things in life? No, it doesn't mean that. There's ways. I'm going to show you. Okay. So, but first I need some supplies, and that's what I'm here for. So here we go. There's far more people here than I say this every time, but like, I don't know. There's a part of me that just holds out hope. And that part of me is consistently disappointed. Okay, let's go. Y'all, the most amazing thing just happened. I found JJ. I've been looking for this stupid doll forever. You could only find it on eBay for like 60 bucks. $20 at my Walmart. He already has this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. He's gonna flip out. Back in the car. I was in there for much longer than I anticipated. And I would have filmed. This place was jacked up today. And it makes me uncomfortable to vlog in public. So, you didn't miss anything. It's Walmart. It's got Walmart things. Alright, now that I've got the food supplies for Cinco de Mayo, now I need the alcohol supplies for Cinco de Mayo. So we're going to the liquor store. Okay. Shop local. Am I right? You know? Support your local liquor store. I came in here for this tequila because it's got a pretty bottle, but oh my god, it's $100, so maybe not. Just kidding, it was not $100. It was marked down. Thank God. I was like, is this really $100? No, it's not. Okay, good. Because I want, am I the only person who buys certain bottles because they're pretty and it has nothing to do with the actual alcohol? Although, I did look this up and it is a good tequila. So, yay. That's good. The box is really dusty. It's probably been sitting there for a minute because nobody else wanted it. On occasions, tequila is what's up. So, here we go.
Hello.
Okay, I'm home and now I'm gonna make salsa and lamb.
Sorry.
Lamb nachos. Don't mind my tequila. I'll be making a keto margarita later, but it's a little early in the day for tequila. So I've got my Vitamix, and I'm gonna throw all my salsa ingredients in here. And I'll probably just do a voiceover because this is obviously gonna be really loud. I need to know something. I'm talking to the audience. Does your husband get in the kitchen right when you're in the kitchen? Or is that just a Kinberry thing? I think it's a man thing. Oh, you're in the kitchen? It's time for me to be in there also.
Just want to hang out with you.
You're sleeping with someone new, and I'm new. You work for the first time. I hate this weather, but I like the view. It makes me think of new beginnings. Here's to new beginnings. I can't sleep alone, 'cause if I do, I'll think of you. The nights are so long, wondering if you miss me too. I'm losing myself in the city sounds. For a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you?
Smells amazing.
Breaking over you. You said she was just a friend, and I remember thinking the worst at first, but
I've never made salsa with tomatillos before. I've had it, but I've never made it. Not to toot my own horn, but toot. This is freaking amazing. Like, oh my God. Amazing. Probably too much cilantro for a lot of people, but not for this house. I added all of my seasonings before I let it simmer. So I put a lot of cumin, like a lot of cumin, a lot of chili powder, some salt, and some garlic powder in there. And then I just let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And then it's ready. Okay, it's ready for consumption. Now, normally, also, if you want the link to the cheese sauce, it's from Melissa's blog. So I'll link it in the description. She also has a salsa recipe. Mine's a little different, but hers is really, really good too. Normally I eat this with a spoon, but now I don't have to. I can eat it with meat chips, which is way cooler than a spoon, and also extra protein. So that's what I'm gonna have. Lamb, ground beef, all seasoned, homemade salsa, homemade cheese dip, pork loins to dip them in, and that's it. Ta-da! Usually I do my reaction to the first bite. I didn't. I know, because it's nachos and we have this all the time. However, I don't usually put lamb in here. And oh my God.
Do you want to get my reaction to a bite as well?
Oh,
I got to get down in Neisha height.
it's going on up. Let me get you a good one. There you go.
What are we dipping with?
This is pork loin. I have a discount code for these, by the way. If you guys are interested. Make sure you get the cheese on there too. You can't see your face. What's the? It's good, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh.
I mean, all the flavors tying really well together.
Melissa made these?
No, I made these.
Oh, that's good.
I know.
Keep going.
These are, I mean, really, really good. Mixing the lamb and the ground beef together.
Absolutely good.
Oh my God, yeah. Sometimes I surprise myself. That salsa is amazing. This is all really good. I'm very happy with my Cinco de Mayo, not on Cinco de Mayo meal. Dang. That's really good. I may never cook nachos the same way again. This is it from now on. Always, yes. Toto approves, Ken approves. I 100% approve. We'll see if Beckett likes it when he gets here. He's coming home from his grandma's house. I'm gonna try to get his reaction to his little Cocomelon doll. Let's see. I hope he reacts the way I want him to. He'll probably just be like, whatever. But I really want him to be like, JJ! We'll see. Anyways, 10 out of 10. Recommend lamb nachos. They are fire. Amazing. Yay! Now we like JJ. Yeah, come here. Come on. Come on. Good job. Okay, time for the Tequila Margarita portion of this video. It is now 5 o'clock and it is socially appropriate to partake without being judged. Not that I care. So I don't have an actual margarita glass. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to use my B cups from Williams-Sonoma. And then, so I'm gonna get my two little bowls. I'm gonna put water in one and then tahini seasoning in the other to rim the glass. So, tahini. And then we're gonna make a margarita. Would you like a margarita? Go make yourself a margarita, girl. You deserve it. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glass, put it in the water, then we're gonna rim it with the tahini. Make it all pretty and stuff. All right, look at that. Look at that. I'm like a professional or something. Just kidding. I can't even remember the last time I made a margarita. It's been a very long time. So, yeah. Limes are essential. Don't use that crappy mix. First of all, it all has sugar in it. Second of all, it's disgusting. We're gonna use real fresh lime juice. Gonna smush and roll our limes. I don't know that this actually does anything, but I see other people do it, so here I am. All right. Okay, got our limes. Got my Pioneer Woman lime squeezer. I probably should have put ice in here first. Hang on. Like I said, I'm no professional. I'm winging this. And I wing everything, so. Got that much lime juice in there. Now I'm gonna get my beautiful tequila bottle. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of tequila. I have Topo Chico because I found a few bottles when we moved. I've stopped my Topo Chico habit, but you know, it's Mexican water, so we're gonna go for it. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chico. I'm gonna top it off with some Topo Chi Oh, look how cute. All right, now I'm gonna give it a stir. And I'm gonna give it a sip. And this may be horrible. We're gonna see. That's good. That's good. You could add some sweetener if you wanted to. I'm really good without the sweetener, but if you're somebody who prefers a sweet drink, you could add a few drops of stevia. This is the one I normally use when I'm sweetening anything liquid, but like, I don't need it with this. That's really good. Bomb margarita, go me. Cool, okay. So that concludes my Cinco de Mayo. I hope you guys have fun on Cinco de Mayo and have maybe a margarita, taco, whatever you want to do. Maybe make my nachos. Who knows? Just, you know, have fun. And don't feel like you have to miss out on things like this just because you're keto or even ketovore. You know, live a little. This is good. The tahini, I mean, that, yes. Oh no, Kenberry's calling me. Hang on. Thanks so much for hanging out with me during this video. If you liked it, make sure you please hit that thumb button. And if you like hanging out with me, consider hitting the subscribe button on your way out. I'll see you in the next one. Love you, mean it. Cheers.